Good morning, friends. I'm Sandeep, your gardener friend, and welcome to all of you in our YouTube channel, Doorstep Garden. Today, friends, I'm going to show you that how can you use coco peat blocks in your garden plants. Today's video is only for the beginners who have no idea about the gardening and who have no idea about the coco peat and how can use the coco peat in the garden plants. And friends, before I have also no idea about the coco pit and how can they use the coco pit. So today's video only for the beginners. So friends, at first you have to take approx 50 to 100 liter of a bucket or any container. So your container size approx will be 50 to 100 liter. My container size 100 liter, and as per the container size I will take 20 liter of water, and I am going to put 2 5 kg each coco peat blocks in the water. After put the coco peat blocks, you have to leave them approx 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, all water will be soaked by 2 coco peat blocks. Now you can see that the water level goes below because of maximum water has been soaked by 2 coco peat blocks, and now coco peat block size is double. You can see the coco peat blocks is now double in size after soaking the water. Now you have to keep in water the upper side of the coco peat blocks because of the upper side not soaking the water. So you have to keep the upper side in the water again. Now if you see that any portion of the coco peat blocks is dry, then you have to serve some water again. After changing the top of the coco peat block to the water, then again you have to leave them for approx 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you will see that all the water has been soaked by the coco peat blocks, and the coco peat blocks is became very loose, and by a garden tools you have to separate the coco peat dust from the blocks. Now you can see that both coco peat blocks has been absorbed the full 20 liter of water from the container, and both blocks are became now very soft and easy to separate the coco peat dust from the blocks by any garden tools. In this way, you have to prepare the coco pit from the coco pit blocks. And if you feel some area of the blocks are hard, then you have to again mix some water and wait for again 5 minutes. Then again the hard place will be soft and you have to separate the coco pit dust from the blocks. This is the full process to prepare the coco pit from coco pit blocks. And one more thing for your information, that the coco pit have no nutrition value. So you have to mix the nutrition first, like vermicompost, compost, or any kind of plant food before planting your garden plants in the coco pit. Now you can see that after doing the process, both coco pit blocks are now going to 100 liter in quantity. This is the very easy and useful process, and after doing the process you have to mix the nutrition first with the coco pit. So friends, hope the video is helpful to you. If the video is helpful to you, then please give one like, and new viewers who are new on our channel, I requested to all of you, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification at the earliest. Thank you friends. Thank you. We'll meet you soon again. Thank you.